In this series, I'm taking a small $25 account and turning it into a $10,000 funded account. We had a setup on pound dollar. We had a liquidity pool form above price. Price came into it, got rejected, so we took this short. And I thought price was gonna break this level of support. Like it's been holding up for like 3 tests, but it actually held. Price came back against us, and we took a small loss. And this brought our account back to $50. The next trade is gold. We took a short. Price came into a liquidity pool, got rejected, headed lower. Then we TP'd. Pretty simple trade. This brought our account to $82. The next setup is on pound yen. And this was kind of a tricky trade. My first entry into pound yen, some unexpected yen news popped out, and my first entry got slipped so bad that I just closed it out. But since price went back into the liquidity pool and got rejected, the setup was still valid, so I entered in my full position. Price went in my favor a little bit, but with that unexpected news brought in a lot of new liquidity. So price was unable to break down like I wanted to. Price came back against me and took a small loss, and this brought our account down to like $70. The next setup is on dollar yen. We had a liquidity pool. Price got rejected from the pool. We started moving up, but price was very grindy and stalling, and I didn't like the price action. So when price came back against me, I just took the small loss, and that brought our account to $63. So we get another setup on dollar yen. So we buy dollar yen, and you already know liquidity pool. Price gets rejected. Price starts pushing up. We go full margin. Price pushes up very aggressively with very little drawdown. We TP, and this brings our account to $103. So we just turned $25 to $103. $100 is about what you need to get most 10K funded challenges, like the 10K My Forex Fund challenge. And the best part about this experience is it shows you that you can pass the challenge by turning $25 into $100, because turning $25 to $100 is a 300% return. For most funded challenges, you only need a 13% return, 8% in the challenge phase, and 5% in the verification phase. But if you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe. Till next time.